All right. Another huge announcement was SharePoint Skills. SharePoint Skills essentially enable you to define multi-step repeatable shortcuts. And you can create content. You can do a lot of some amazing processes within SharePoint. So as you know, every SharePoint site that you have gets an agent. And then part of every SharePoint site, you can also have skills there as well. Everything from drafting proposals and using some of the content. In this example, we're just looking at a quarterly sales report. The skill's been created, and then now somebody's going to the agent and saying, hey, can you help me create a quarterly sales report? The benefit of this is the skill is defined at the site level. So a site owner, a site member can create that skill and say, here's a template of what a quarterly sales report looks like. And anyone now can go to that site who has access to it, go to the knowledge agent and say, using this skill, help me build a quarterly sales report. So uses the structure, uses the format, a really I think, intuitive way on how to use AI with your day-to-day activities. Another amazing feature, and this is kind of like a unsung feature, with prompts, you can create a lot of things, not just Word documents or Excel. You can actually also create interactive reports. So there's a number of skills that we've also been working. We end up doing a lot of migration projects. And part of the migration sometimes is like, let's extract the data and let's try to create a report. You can actually now start creating interactive reports of how complex your SharePoint permissions are, how complex your SharePoint data is. In this example, we've created a quarterly sales report with all the revenue and all that data right within HTML, and it's stored in SharePoint. You can view it and have that. So content generation, lots of different formats, not just Word, Excel, PowerPoint. And then the other feature that I kind of wanted to highlight at the beginning and just incorporate it in here is now you can also leverage Work IQ with your SharePoint skills. So you can reference your Word documents, your other Excel documents, or the context that you as an individual have to have SharePoint skills create things that taking that context, taking that data, and taking those skills and tools that we talked about earlier.